Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a close-up of Biolante's face. So to begin with this, we're going to start with the eye, and you want to start right about here, and just make a little line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go up, and then down like this. She is always very, very angry looking. Then we're going to make a line that's just going to curve around, and it's going to come up to here. Now, underneath here, we're just going to add a couple little kind of broken curved lines to add a little bit of like a wrinkled effect. And up here, we're going to draw her little eye ridge. But when we do this, I'm going to make some little points. And then instead of starting at the bottom, I'm going to start up just a little bit. And this is just to kind of give it a lot of texture because she is kind of, made up of part plant, part Godzilla. So just kind of add some detail and texture onto there. Now, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make kind of like the line for her nose. It's going to come all the way out here. And as I'm doing this, I'm just going to leave some little breaks in here. And I'm doing this because I'm going to come in and add some more kind of texture and detail in here. So I'm just going to kind of curve this to about there. Then I'm just going to add some little lines that curve back. And then I'm just going to start adding some little lines for the mouth and the teeth. So I want to start right here, and we're just going to add a line that's going to kind of curve up and down. She's got really big teeth. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of go along here and add some teeth in here first before I draw the line. So I'm just going to kind of come in here and add some kind of big teeth. They're going to be different sizes. I want these, though, to be pretty big because she is pretty vicious. So we're just going to kind of add some in here. And I'm going to go right to about here. That's a good stopping point. Then I'm just going to kind of add a line in between here, and I'm going to make it a little bit wavy and bumpy. We'll go right to there. I'm going to add some little kind of curved lines in here. And I'm going to add a few little lines above here too, just to make it look like they're really sitting in there. Now, right here below her eye, she almost has like a big tooth, or you can call it a tusk or a spike coming out. So we're just going to make a big line that's going to go up to right about here, and it's going to curve back. It's going to come around like this. I'm going to add some kind of broken lines right around here. Some little curved ones too, just to show that's sitting in there. Add a little line comes down, and I'm going to put another one right in here. Add that same thing, just kind of add some of the details around here. Then I'm going to bring this line back, and I'm just going to kind of curve it up to here. A couple little bumps, and I'm going to put another little spike right here for another tooth. And then I'm going to just kind of add some little teeth in here, just kind of random spots, kind of like what I did on the top. I'm just going to curve it around here. And then we're going to add some little curved lines around here just to show where the teeth are kind of sitting in. Then make a line that goes down. I'm just going to go right to the bottom of the paper. I mean, it's a little big, but that's okay. I'm going to make her jaw kind of come up here. Then I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to go over and then kind of bring it up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make just a big curved line. And I'm going to add a couple more teeth that are kind of behind this one. We'll add another one. We'll just kind of draw the top there. I'm gonna add just some quick little lines in here just to kind of show where all the details are. Then right here, I'm just gonna make a little line. It's gonna go right along here. We're gonna go to about here. We're gonna go down. And then I'm just gonna bring it right to here, just to kind of show that mouth. She kind of has like an alligator-shaped mouth. I'm gonna bring this line into here and another little broken line here. And then on this side, we're gonna just kind of fill it up with lots of sharp teeth. They're gonna kind of run right behind these other ones. We're gonna put some more in here, just different sizes. And then inside of her mouth is filled with teeth as well. So we're just gonna kind of add some different little teeth in here. Lots of little spikes everywhere. And we just want to kind of cover her whole mouth with teeth, just to really give her a really tough, kind of scary look. Her teeth kind of run all the way to the back of her mouth too, so we're going to kind of add them just all around here, just leaving little bits of space. I'm going to start down here and I'm going to just add some random little teeth in different spots, just kind of behind these other ones. And then I'm gonna put more in here and I'm gonna make sure that I kind of add a little curve at the bottom. Try not to draw them on top of each other if you can. It definitely happens. But hopefully you guys are using pencil and not Sharpie. And we're just gonna kind of fill up the whole mouth with these teeth. And they're even gonna come out back here. So you just wanna kind of add lots of teeth everywhere. Now I'm gonna add just a couple quick little kind of stretch lines right here for the mouth. Maybe add a few more teeth there. And then I wanna come back up here and start adding some of the details that she has. So kind of like what we did here, I'm just gonna make some little kind of wavy lines just for some kind of like plant texture. Just right around here. And we're just gonna kind of add them all over. Then she kind of has like more rows of these kind of plant, kind of leaf shapes all over her. So we're just gonna kind of add lots of kind of texture lines all over here. Just to kind of give it a little bit more of like a foliage look. Kind of add them all over behind her head, just to kind of really fill it up. We're gonna add lots of these extra little lines here. I'm gonna add just a few little kind of extra wrinkle lines over here. Add a couple of extra lines around her eye. And then we're just gonna kind of add a few little kind of lines all around here. I want to give her a lot of texture on her face here. So I'm just going to kind of add some of these extra little kind of curved lines everywhere. And then I'm going to kind of turn these almost into like circle shapes, just because she has a lot of detail around here. They're almost kind of like scales, kind of parts of plants, a little mix of both. And then I'm just going to come in here and add a few extra lines around each one, just for some detail. Some extra little lines kind of around here for texture. Almost kind of looks a little bit like lettuce, but it's all good. A few little lines right around the eyes and everything. Gonna add some more of these kind of, circular shapes up here. Just kind of show some different parts of her, some different ideas for like texture and things. We're gonna do that kind of all the way around here. and just some little details all over here. I'm going to add just a couple little lines kind of coming through here just for some more little details. And then we're going to add some little lines right around here, some more of these kind of circular shapes everywhere. We don't have a whole lot of room, but we're going to kind of add some like curved shapes in here to kind of show where like the vines and stuff would be. I want to add another big spike over here for that other like big tooth that's coming out. Kind of add some quick lines on some of these bigger teeth just for some detail. And then just some more little lines kind of right around here. And then we can just kind of add some quick little details all over here. Some quick little lines. And there you go. There is your drawing of Biolante's face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.